Hey guys, so I have made my first purchase on Poshmark and I'm so excited because this is a bag I have been looking for months. I saw it in the Spade store about 2 or 3 months ago, but I was on vacation in Florida and I did not have a way to get it home. My bags were already full of like everything else I bought and I had no space to buy this bag. So I have just been on the hunt for it, and when I found it on Poshmark, I was so excited and I bought it. Hold on, let me look up the receipts. Okay, so I made the offer on this on Wednesday and today is Friday and I got it in the mail. She accepted it pretty fast and I'm so excited to unbox it and I hope that it's everything I wanted. So let's get started. Wow, like I don't want to because it has the address and stuff on it, but this box is like heavily taped. Like this whole top is like taped. And the sides. So you know. Wow, that is a lot of tape, but I want to show you, it's literally so cute. There's like a little tag right here that says thank you, enjoy. You can't really see it. This little tag that says thank you and enjoy, which is so cute. And then there's all these like little ribbony things. Oh my gosh, this is like the most exciting thing ever. This is what it looks like. I am so excited. So it's just this like white color with a peachy pink kind of bottom, and it is a backpack and it still has the tag on it, so it's brand new. It is so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to style this. I'm so excited. It's literally in like perfect condition. Like this is 100% a brand new bag. I'm so excited. Alright, let's open it up. The zipper works amazingly. It's such a good quality zipper. It's still full of all the paper to like stuff it to keep it nice. It smells new. Not sure if I like that, but I do. Now I'm so excited. I have literally been like looking for this bag forever. It has a little front zipper here. Has nothing in it yet, but I am so excited. You can tell like I kind of wore this shirt because it kind of goes with it, but like it's literally so chic. Like if you want to see a video on how I style it, like let me know. I'm literally wearing pajama pants like every YouTuber, but yeah, like it's literally so cute. Backpacks are super trendy and I have been looking for this one. I just can't because I'm so excited. It's literally beautiful and I love it so much. Like I just can't even get over it. But like it's so cute how she packaged it too, where it says like thank you, like with all the things. Oh my gosh, this is like so perfect. I'm so excited. The straps like are so stiff. Like look at this. This is like, you can just tell that this bag has never been carried. That's just been like wrapped up and like kept in like a really nice condition. Oh my gosh, you guys literally don't understand! I'm so happy. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. If you want to see how I style this bag, like, leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. I could not be happier and I can't wait to carry this bag.